Is My TV Stick worth buying? The My TV Stick is an affordable streaming device that allows users to transform any regular TV into a smart TV by providing access to popular streaming services and apps. It is a budget-friendly alternative to other streaming sticks like Amazon Fire TV Stick or Roku. Whether the My TV Stick is worth buying depends on your needs, budget, and expectations for a streaming device. In this explanation, we'll examine the key factors to help you decide if it's a good investment. Affordability and value for money. One of the main advantages of the MI TV Stick is its affordability. It is significantly cheaper than many of its competitors, making it an excellent option for those on a budget. Despite the lower price, it offers a good set of features for the cost, including access to popular streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime Video. For users who want an affordable way to upgrade their TV and access a wide range of content, the My TV Stick provides excellent value for money. Performance and features. The My TV Stick runs on the Android TV operating system, which offers a smooth and user-friendly interface. It provides access to a vast range of apps through the Google Play Store, including streaming services, games, and utility apps. The My TV Stick supports full HD resolution 1080p for streaming, which is suitable for most users. However, if you're looking for 4K streaming, you may need to consider other devices like the MI Box 4K or a higher-end competitor. The device also comes with Google Assistant built-in, allowing you to control the TV using voice commands, which adds to the overall convenience. Ease of use and setup. The Mi TV Stick is incredibly easy to set up and use. Simply plug it into the HDMI port of your TV, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. The device comes with a remote control that has a minimalist design with easy-to-understand buttons, including a dedicated button for Google Assistant. The interface is intuitive and navigation is straightforward, making it accessible even for users who are not tech-savvy. In conclusion, the My TV Stick is definitely worth buying for users who want an affordable and straightforward way to turn their TV into a smart TV. It offers solid performance, access to a variety of apps, and a simple setup process. However, it may not be the best choice for those who need 4K streaming or the fastest performance. If you're on a budget and looking for an easy way to stream content, the My TV Stick is an excellent option.